Okay, second try, presentation on stem changing verbs. Let me see if this works. Trying. There we go. Stem changing verbs. Stem changing verbs are sometimes called shoe verbs or boot verbs. And in a minute, you're going to discover why. First of all, let me give you all the vocabulary. Comenzar. Comenzar is an E to an IE stem changing verb. And comenzar means to begin, and it sounds a little bit like our word in English, commence. Empezar means to begin as well, and you might remember that one from a long time ago. Preferir means to prefer. It's a cognate for our word prefer. Querer means to want, and hopefully you've seen this verb before.